Are you ready to unlock the secret to unparalleled business success? The answer starts with another simple, but fundamental question. How important is customer service to your business? Customer service is not just another fad or trend, it's the permanent backbone of any thriving business. It's also the crucial element that differentiates you from the competition, forging lasting bonds with your customers and driving growth. Grab this content-ready PowerPoint presentation to truly understand your customers' desires and pain points, adapt, innovate, and stay one step ahead of the competition. But why is it so important? Customer service isn't just a department, it's a revenue center and the heartbeat of your business. It's the art of listening, empathizing, and delivering beyond expectations. Hence, it directly and tangibly impacts your bottom line. Studies show that 8 of 10 organizations working to improve customer service report an increase in revenue. It is also empirically proven that 5 of 10 customers recommend a company with exceptional customer service to others. Use SlideTeam's pre-built PPT presentation on customer service training to create a business culture centered around putting the customer first. Grab this actionable PowerPoint presentation to make customer service a part of your marketing strategy. Deploy customer support as an acquisition channel, make for customers to get in touch, highlight your customer service as benefit, use customer reviews as marketing collateral, and more with use of this PPT template. In the digital age, where choices abound and attention spans wane, outstanding customer service is your secret weapon. Critical factors such as timeline, empathy, active listening, and follow-up impact customer service. Download SlideTeam's pre-designed PowerPoint template and prioritize exceptional experiences to create loyal customer base. In addition, fortify your reputation and unlock the true potential of your business.